Now the first frost is just around the corner, I thought it'd be the perfect time to show y'all how we grow food all winter long in my mobile greenhouse.
I pulled this old snowmobile trailer out of the woods on our property. It wasn't fit for the road, but I liked the idea of a mobile structure for starting plants in the spring and overwintering cold-hardy varieties. I tried the cattle panel approach, which worked fine, but was always inspired by those passive solar ones with heavily insulated side and rear walls with glazing on the south face only, so I built that. Now I didn't include water batteries like a standard passive solar greenhouse because of weight, and because we just don't get enough sun in the winter to reap the benefits, but the heavy insulation keeps it easy to heat in the spring. I won't add any supplemental heat in the winter, as most of these plants will survive the cold so long as they're protected from desiccating winds. Now heat builds quickly. Temperatures inside can approach 90 degrees Fahrenheit on a 50 degree Fahrenheit sunny day, so I included 2 automatic vents and a thermostat regulated exhaust fan to keep the plants from frying. So what am I putting in here? Cabbage, kale, pak choi, bok choy, tatsoi, zucchini savoy, spinach, arugula, and bronze mignonette lettuce. Now I'll bring the lettuce in the garage once temps drop below the mid-teens, as they're the most susceptible to cold damage, but since plants go dormant during what's known as the parasphone period, which is the time of year with less than 10 hours of sunlight per day, which occurs during the winter, I'm not sacrificing any growth. Now you'll see a little bit of yellowing on outer leaves. This is normal with the cool, damp weather of fall, and since I don't use any fungicides. Just plug them off and the plants are perfect.
Thanks for checking out this video. I love coming up with a unique and custom solution for things. Listen, if y'all found this helpful or just entertaining, like, subscribe, share, drop me a comment, anything. I appreciate it all. Y'all take care now.